Hello everyone. Today we will learn about absolute and relative file path. Then we will jump to our goal project. So let's start with absolute path. Let's take an example of our PC file path. So here you can see the absolute file path travel from the local disk D to the image anchor folder, and then it goes to the particular file which is being selected. So absolute path travel from the root directory to the particular file. So in the same way, if we have to do in the index.html, let's take an example of an image. So if I want to show this goal PNG by using absolute file path, so in this index.html I would write /best technology ranking project, select this folder, and then I would write the particular file. And if I see this and run this, the file is being shown in the preview. So this is a quick demo regarding absolute file path. Now let's start with relative file path. Relative file path is very much different from absolute file path, as absolute file path travels from the root directory to the particular file, but in relative file path it travels from the file to the particular file which need to be previewed. So let's take an example of this goal image anchor to be shown in the preview. My file is this, index.html is my file within the file path. So while using relative file path, we have to use some characters. So like dot, then slash, then the image anchor file path is being shown, which is this. Click on this and then choose the image which you want to show in the preview. Now if I see this, you can see the preview of that particular image is being shown. So it's very much different from the absolute file path. In absolute file path, like if I want to go within this goal image anchor, I want to travel with the root directory, which is file path, then image anchor, and then goal image anchor PNG. So this is the way for absolute file path. This is not very much used in the HTML. Mostly relative file path is being used. This is because because if I want to change the folder of this file path within this best technology ranking project, so the root directory is being not changed. If I use the absolute file path, the whole directory would be changed and the file path also being changed. So in relative file path, this would not be changed. It would be as similar as we want, and everything would work fine. So this is a quick demo regarding relative file path. So today's goal project is to create this kind of HTML page. Here you can see the best technology ranking project, image and anchor. Here we have used absolute path and relative path, and also we are redirecting to the previous project which we have created in previous videos. So for example, if I click this, it would redirect to that page of the best technology according to eDigital Studio HTML page, and same with the image and anchor. So we would recall everything which we have learned previously, and also with that we would use absolute and relative path. So let's start to create this kind of HTML page. So in index.html, first we will create the body. Okay. In the body, we would write h1. So here you can see the portfolio is in h1 tab. So I would write portfolio is in content, h2. I'm web developer. So here I would write horizontal line, and here you see there is a redirecting or redirecting to the next page, which we have learned previously, which we use an a tag here to redirect to particular page or particular link. So like in S3 tag we would use a, and within the href for now we would use absolute path. So here you can see the best technology ranking project folder is here, and we have to go within the solution HTML. So slash best technology slash solution HTML, and here you can see there is a image which is being used. So here is the image. For this we would use image tag, and within the src we would use the absolute file path. So best technology, then goal png. Then we have to create same thing for anchor and image. So for this we will use relative file path. So in relative file path, first we have to write the character dot slash. So here you can see I'm only getting the goal, index and solution because it is going within the file path. I want to go above or which is above the file path, another folder. So for that we have to use 2 dot and click slash here, and then we have to choose our folder which is image and anchor, and within that I have to choose index.html. Okay, same goes with the image. So 2 dot to go above or below the particular folder, and then choose the folder, choose the goal image, and here you go. If I review this, so I have to write this image outside the h3 tag. Same goes here, and now let's see in the preview. Okay, I haven't given the name, so best technology. And here image and anchor. So here you can see I can redirect it. So the goal project is being completed. To continue watch this kind of video, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.